The flood situation in Sarawak is gradually improving. According to Deputy Premier Dato' Ahmad Douglas Unggah Embas, 63 temporary evacuation centres are still operational, sheltering a total of 12,306 evacuees from flood 3,687 families across Sarawak.
So nampaknya keadaan bertambah baik. Jadi kita ucap terima kasih kepada semua jentera kerajaan, jentera SDMC yang telah turun padang dengan tidak mengira hujan dan panas to evacuate mangsa-mangsa. So far, the progress are good. Most of those people that has to be moved.
Speaking after visiting PPS in Kampung Sampun Tebun, Asajaya, Unggah said the committee would remain on high alert in the event of any high tide following the National Security Council's Directive No. 1.
We are lucky kerana untuk kawasan yang pendalaman ini, kita ada free radio services, NGO yang duduk di dalam tu become our link. Kalau ada apa-apa berlaku, they will contact our secretariat.
Regarding the 1,000 ringgit aid for flood victims, Unggah emphasised that those who have yet to evacuate to a PPS must report to the resident office so that the situation can be assessed, allowing them to receive the assistance.